Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This question is May-June 2020. Variant first, 21 variant, question number one, topic unit and uncertainty, measurement and units. The part A, use an expression for the work done. So expression for the work done is required in term of force to show that SI base units of energy is kilogram meter square per second square. Okay. So one thing is necessary for you, just for your information, we know that work done is equal to energy transfer. Energy transfer. Work done is equal to energy transfer. Work done and energy are not same. Actually, they are closely related to each other. Closely related to each other, having same units. So according to the instruction of the question, we have to use a formula for the work done. And I know that work done is equal to force multiplied by displacement. Force and displacement. I have to show this unit for the energy. So for this purpose, I know well the unit of the force is equal to Newton and displacement is meter. Newton is equal to kilogram per meter square into meter. So you know the mathematics rule. If the bases are same, power can be added up. So from final answer, meter square per second square. So it is proved. Hence, it's proved that unit of energy is kilogram meter square per second square. B part of the question, the energy E is stored in electrical component is given by this formula. This is the energy given. Whenever a formula is given to you, this is very necessary for you to check in the formula the variable, what these variable are standing for, are representing. The Q is for the charge and C is the constant. Use the equation and the information in A to determine the SI unit of the C. Okay, we have to find out the SI unit of the C. Whenever we have to find out any unit of any variable, then we have to make as a subject. So E will be equal to Q square over 2C. I want to find out the base unit as a unit of the C. So I can write this equation. C will be written as Q square over 2E, because I know in mathematics if two numbers are if two numbers are in cross multiplication, they can be cross exchanged. So I exchange C and E's place. The next step of this question, I know the unit of the charge. The SI unit of the charge is ampere second. And secondly, the energy stored, we already know. This is the unit of the energy stored that we already have found. So 2 is a constant, have no unit, constant have no unit, so ignore it. So let me put the values. How I know that is ampere second, because I is equal to Q by T and Q is equal to I multiplied by T. I is A and time is second. So ampere second. Whenever you will place the value, when you will place the value here, then take care about the powers. If any power is given, then that power is applied on the units also. So it will be ampere second and there will be a square. 2, you can ignore it because no need here. And the unit of energy is kilogram meter square S power minus 2. Let me apply the square on this bracket. A square ampere square second square divided by kilogram meter square S power minus 2. So if I can put the denominator values as a numerator, then final answer can be written as S power 4, because this is power plus 2, this is power minus 2. When I will shift it as a numerator, power will be converted, and then m power minus 2 kilogram power minus 1. So final answer can be written in this order: kilogram power minus 1, m power minus 2, ampere square, and second power 4. Measurement of the constant current. Measurement of a constant current in the wire are taken using an analog ammeter. For these measurement, describe one possible cause of the random error. By definition, we can say random error. Uh, by definition, we can say random errors are when repeated measurement of a same quantity in the same circumstances with the same procedure, same method, give you the different answer. So those kind of readings are this different answers are considered as random error. In this particular case, when we need to write out, when we take a reading from the analog ammeter, so question is that describe one possible cause of random error. For the random error, there is possible cause for the case of measurement may be the reading of the scale of the analog ammeter is not taken from the proper angle. So this can be a reason, like a reading of the scale of analog ammeter from different angle. Okay. And what about the systematic error? Systematic error, it is clearly from the word we can guess like error in a system. So in the system, the most possible situation for the error, it may be zero error. It may be a zero error. Our second possible option may be the poor calibration of the device. Poor calibration of device. These are some possible reasons for systematic error.